Good afternoon, welcome to VANIKIAS, and we'll start discussing environment MCQs. So, first question: the Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system, located off coast Queensland, Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is in the list of World Heritage Sites in danger. In 1972, World Heritage Convention inscribing the site on the list of World Heritage Sites in danger allow the World Heritage Center to reallocate immediate assistance from the World Heritage Fund to the site and gathering international support to the site. So, which of the following statements are right? With respect to which of the following statements are right? Okay. So, generally, this is slightly. This is statement 1, and this is statement 2, and this is statement 3. Okay. So, which of the following statements are right? The second statement is wrong. Third statement is right. It is recommended that this will be included in the list of World Heritage Sites in danger. Okay, it is not included yet. That's why 1 and 2 options will be the right answer regarding Great Barrier Reef. It is present in the off coast of Queensland, Australia. So statement 1 is also right. Next question. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Black hydrogen produced by the use of fossil fuel, pink hydrogen produced through natural gases, grey hydrogen produced through the electrolysis by using nuclear power sources. Which of the following statements are right? First statement is black hydrogen. This is yes, black hydrogen produced from fossil fuel like coal. Fossil fuel. Okay. Brown hydrogen is from coal. Produced by use of brown hydrogen, it is in case of coal. Pink hydrogen, it is natural gas. This is also right. Sorry, from pink hydrogen is from nuclear sources, not natural gas. Grey hydrogen is from natural gas. Pink hydrogen, it is from uh, nuclear sources. Nuclear energy. When nuclear energy is used and hydrogen is produced, it is called as pink hydrogen. Grey hydrogen is produced by from nuclear sources. This is wrong. Grey hydrogen is produced by natural gases. So natural gases, it's grey hydrogen. Okay, what is blue hydrogen? Blue hydrogen is also from natural gases, but emissions are captured. Emissions are captured. Then what is green hydrogen? Green hydrogen, it is here in this process by using the process of electrolysis. H2 is broken down into hydrogen and oxygen. This hydrogen is used. So one only is the answer. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding compressed natural gases. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Compressed natural gases. CNG. CNG is mostly methane gas. CNG runs more quietly due to higher octane rating of CNG over gasoline. CNG vehicles reduce harmful emissions such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide by more than 90% when compared to gasoline power power vehicles. Okay. So which of the following statements are correct? CNG is mostly methane gas. Okay, and they are used in various vehicles. CNG run more quietly as compared to due to higher octane rating of CNG over gasoline. It reduces harmful emissions like carbon monoxide. This statement is right. So here 1, 2, 3, all the statements are right with respect to CNG or compressed natural gas. In case of LPG, it is butane. Remember, methane is a highly potential greenhouse gas. Okay. Consider the following statements. Green turtles are named because of greenish color of their shells. They are found mainly in tropical and subtropical waters. Unlike the other sea turtles, they do not migrate long distances. Okay. So, which of the following statements are correct with respect to green turtles? Green turtles are these are very hard-shelled, largest hard-shelled green turtle are largest hard-shelled sea turtle. That's why, right? In that, and why they are called as green turtle? Because the color of the cartilage that is around fat deposits around the internal organs. So it's not the about internal organs. There is greenish color. That's why it is called as green turtle. So they are found in tropical and subtropical waters. This is true. Second statement is right. And unlike other sea turtles that do not migrate long distances, this statement is wrong. So second statement only is the right answer. Okay. So because of fat deposits and cartilage, their color is green. And generally they are particularly killed for their meat. Green sea turtles are particularly killed for their meat, and green turtles are coming under these are endangered category by IUCN. Green turtles are endangered according to by IUCN. Their IUCN status is endangered. They are also protected by CITES Appendix 1. CITES Appendix 1. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding AC biodiversity targets. Right. AC biodiversity targets adopted during 2010 United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity, includes goals such as reducing deforestation by at least half during the coming decade and curbing pollution. First statement is right. It has a target. The issue biodiversity target. It has targeted that reducing deforestation at least by half. First statement is correct. After the parties adopted AC targets, they are expected to devise their own national biodiversity strategies that would mimic the goals out of AC biodiversity target. Okay. Yeah, this is right because every country is a sovereign country, and they have here it is the target is given. The target is given by the international body. Obviously, the policies are always dependent on the sovereign government, right? So that's why we call as India as a sovereign country, sovereign government. That means ultimate decision regarding the mm, ultimate decision regarding India will be taken by the people who are elected by India. So, are it sovereign government? So, the strategies or plans that will be uh, that will mimic the goals of goals are laid out by AC biodiversity targets. More than half of the parties met all the targets and within its border. This is a very polarized statement, very too much perfect statement. This is not happened. This is not happened. More than half of the parties have made all the UG targets. No, this is wrong. So here one and two option will be the right option. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding red sandals. Red sandals were in news because of the Pushpa movie. Red sandals are red sandals are flora species. Red sandals are flora species um, endemic to Western Ghats. It is listed under endangered list of IUCN Conservation of Nature. And export of red sandals from India is prohibited. Which of the following statements are right regarding red sandals? First statement is it is endemic to Western Ghat. This is wrong. It is endemic to Andhra Pradesh region or Eastern Ghat. So this is impossible. First statement is wrong. Second, it is coming under endangered list. It is yes, red sandals is endangered list according to IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, which is established in 1948. IUCN was established in 1948. It has released the Red Data Book. The book is called as Red Data Book, and based on Red Data Book, it is in endangered species. It is in endangered list. The export of red sandals from India is prohibited. Yes, this is right. So two and three options are right. Export of red sandals from India is prohibited. It is in endangered list IUCN, and it is endemic to Eastern Ghats, especially Andhra Pradesh region. Okay. Next. Consider the following statements regarding green status of species. Green status of species. It is a global standard to measure how close a species is being fully ecological and functional across its range. It is launched by UNFCCC, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. It measures how much the species has recovered due to conservation efforts. So, which of the following statements are correct? First statement, it is a new global standard to measure how close a species being fully ecological, functional, fully ecological functional across its range. Across its range. Okay. So first statement is right regarding green status of species. It was nature. It was launched by UNFCCC. This is wrong. It is not by UNFCCC. It is just developed by IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. It measures how much a species has recovered due to conservation efforts. That is green status of species. So here 1 and 3 options are right. Which of the following places has world's highest concentration of Indian one-horned rhinos? Highest concentration of one-horned rhinos. It is Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary, Pavitra Wildlife Sanctuary, Vitarkanya Wildlife Sanctuary, Bor Wildlife Sanctuary. The answer is Pavitra Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay. Pavitra Wildlife Sanctuary. It is where especially we see Asiatic water buffaloes, right? Asiatic water buffaloes, and this is present in Assam near Brahmaputra River. Okay, and the status of one-horned rhinos, the status of one-horned rhinos under IUCN as is endangered. Endangered status or IUCN status is endangered, and it is protected under Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act. Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act. Should be is the answer. Pavitra Wildlife Sanctuary, second home of one-horned rhinos. Consider the following pairs wetlands and states they are located. Wetlands and states. Tampara Lake, Odisha. Kanjirakulam Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu. Haigam Wetland Conservation Reserve, Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following statements are correct? They are recognized as Ramsar Convention. Ramsar sites. Ramsar sites. Ramsar Convention. When it was established? Ramsar Convention was established. It occurred 1971 in Ramsar city of Iran. It talks about the wetlands of international importance. Of international importance. And newly we have now are 75 number of wetlands, and it is Odisha. Tampara Lake it is Odisha Nanjam, and Kanjirakulam Park Sanctuary it is Tamil Nadu, and Haigam Wetland National this is conservation reserve. This is not Andhra Pradesh. This is Jammu and Kashmir. Haigam Wetland Conservation Reserve, which is Jammu and Kashmir. So one and two options are right answer. State of World's Mangroves Report 2022 is released by United Nations Environmental Program, Global Climate Change Alliance, and World Sustainable Development Report Forum, or none of this. Okay, so this Global State of World Mangroves Report 2022 it is launched by ICRI, right? State of World. In India, it is analysis by ICRI, but it is released by the Global Mangrove Alliance. Global Mangrove Alliance. The Global Mangrove Alliance this releases State of World's Mangroves Report 2022. Okay, it is Global Mangrove Alliance. Next question. The term 4 per 100 as mentioned in UNIS news, which of the following in the context of which of the following? It is nitrogen pollution, or one nitrogen pollution, or CO2 pollution, or soil carbon, or global warming. It is answer is soil carbon. Right? It says that soil is for food security. Soil for food security. And to offset is the purpose is to offset the carbon emission, because agriculture is a huge source of carbon emission. This 4 per 100 initiative is launched. It is launched in Paris Climate Deal 2015, or what we call as COP21. Okay, so it says that increasing soil carbon worldwide just by 0.4% could offset the new growth of carbon emission from fossil fuel emission. So it says that especially increasing soil carbon, it focuses on increasing soil carbon that will reduce the carbon emission. Okay, so C is the answer. 4 per 100, 4 per 1000, it is related to soil carbon. C is the answer. With reference to India's biodiversity Crimson Roach, common peacock, and Kaiser-e-Hind Kaiser-e-Hind are primates, birds, reptiles, or Lepidoptera. See, common peacock is a butterfly in Uttarakhand. So it comes under the family of, that is, insects, or comes under family of insects or Lepidoptera. That is the, so D is the answer. Okay, they are insects or butterfly. Common peacock is a butterfly in Uttarakhand district. So it was in news in 2016. So D is the answer. Recent, Recently, Bruguiera cylindrica was in news. It is associated with mangrove species, coral reefs, invasive species, flowering plant. Bruguiera cylindrica. It's one type of mangrove species. Generally, mangrove species are seen in equatorial area, that is where marine environment and terrestrial environment they meet. Marine environment and terrestrial environment they meet. This is called as ecotone area. The junction between ecotone area, the junction between two different biodiversity, where we see a high level of high concentration of biodiversity, that is called as age effect. Next question. Answer the following statements regarding National Clean Air Program or NCAP. Which of the following statements are correct? The question is talking about what are the correct options regarding NCAP. Okay. The NCAP has set target of reducing pollutants PM10 and PM2.5 by 20 to 30% by 2024 in non-attainment cities, taking housing level in 2017 as the base year. Second statement, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. First statement, here it is the answer, here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 3. It doesn't have a legal mandate to cities and regions to implement NCP in a time-bound manner for effective reduction. Which of the following statements are correct? Third statement is correct. You don't have a legal mandate. It is launched by General Ministry of NCAP is launched by, that is National Clean Air Program. It is launched in 2019 by Ministry of Environment and Climate Change. Ministry of Environment and Climate Change. And the base year is yes, not by 20 to 30%. It is generally 20% in the next 5 years. So 2017 is the base year. This is right, but it is mm, yes, the PM10 and PM2.5. It is not. It is not 30 years to 20 to 30 years. It is only, sorry. It is by 20%. By 20% with the 2017 as the base year. Okay. So the cities which are do not attend it, that will be identified by Central Pollution Control Board (CPC). So this is, so three only option is the right answer. Regarding NCAP is started by Ministry of um, Environment and Climate Change (MOEFCC). It is started by NCAP and attended in 2019. So one only, so three only option is the right answer. Do not have a legal mandate. Which of the following initiatives are covered on National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency? National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency. It is enhanced energy efficiency. It is perform, achieve, trade scheme, pad scheme. Perform, achieve, and trade scheme. Market transformation, energy efficiency, MTEE. Energy efficiency financing platform, Bureau of Energy Efficiency. This market transformation energy efficiency is right. MTE, this is right. First option, PAT, is also right regarding it is comes under National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency. So one, two, three options are right answer. Then consider the following statements: Organization, Geological Survey of India, Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, Bombay Natural History Society, and Animal Welfare Board of India. Which of the following statements are created under Wildlife Protection Act 1972? Under Wildlife Protection Act 1972, only those states which are wildlife, related to wildlife. Remember. So, which of the following initiatives are covered under National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency? So it is, yes. This is, we have completed this question. Next question, yes. Now the question is Geological Survey of India or Wildlife Control India, which are coming under Wildlife Protection Act. Only the question regarding wildlife is coming under Wildlife Protection Act. So Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, it comes under Wildlife Protection Act. And this Animal Welfare Board of India, it comes under, it is comes under Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. This is Animal Welfare Board of India. Okay. Then see, Wildlife Protection Act means it will only work regarding wildlife. So this Wildlife Protection Act under we have Wildlife Crime Control Bill. Next is Zoological Survey of India or JSI. Zoological Survey of India. It is established in 1916 by Ministry of Environment and Forest. Environment and Forest, Ministry of Environment and Forest in 1916. Okay. Its headquarters of Zoological Survey of India is Kolkata. Kolkata is the headquarters of Zoological Survey of India. Okay. Next is Bombay Natural Health Society. That is what we call as also BNHS. Bombay, yes, Bombay Natural History Society. This BNHS it was founded in 1883. 1883 it was founded. And yes. So what is BNHS? It is a part of BirdLife International. Remember, it's a part of BirdLife International. It's an NGO. So two only is the answer. Also, the following statements regarding National Ganga River Basin Authority. It was replaced by Ganga Council, National Ganga Council, which was in charge of preventing pollution and revitalizing Ganga River, also its tributaries. Established in 2009, started in 2009 under Water Prevention Control Act 1974 and chaired by the Minister of Water Resources. Second statement is right. It is meant to ensure the maintenance of minimum ecological flows in the river Ganga and augmentation of sewage infrastructure. This is also right. So three and so here which is the following sorry. Meant to ensure maintenance of minimum ecological flows in the water and augmented in sewage infrastructure. Now this is wrong. Augmented in the sewage infrastructure. This is not the responsibility of National Ganga River Basin Authority. So here only is the answer. See this National Ganga River Basin Authority. It has removed National Ganga Council. That's why first statement is wrong. And if first is wrong, so second only is the right answer. What is CAMPA? Compensatory Appreciation Fund. Fund Management and Planning Authority. 2016. National Compensatory Fund was established under Consolidated Fund of India. Now, this is not a fund under Consolidated Fund of India. It's like it says, it will stay there forever. Right? So first statement is wrong. It is not under Consolidated Fund of India. Article into Consolidated Fund of India is 226, 266. The option is wrong. The National Compensatory Arbitration Fund was established under Constitutional Fund of India. Okay. It will help to achieve the initial objective of National Determined Contribution (NDC) to create additional sink of 2 to 3 billion tons of carbon dioxide by 2030. Third statement is right. Uh, it will act upon it will respond to leaves, receive payments and complete the appreciation and net present value of the forest (NPV). Yes, 2 and 3 options will be the right answer. First statement is wrong answer. Okay.